Can you do this? So here we can apply the law of exponents. X raised to a by x raised to b will be x raised to a minus b, right? Law of exponents. Use that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Use
ma'am.
that and give me the answer. If you have doubt in this question, you can ask me now. I will do the question for you. Finish? Finish doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is the answer? What
Ma'am,
is
one
the
second.
answer?
Step. 0, ma'am, which is 1.
X raised to 0.
Yeah, so it's 1.
X raised to 0 is 1. Yes. Now, breadth is 1 and 1 by 2 times height. So, B equal to, what is 1 and 1 by 2? 1 and 1 by 2 height means 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. And the cost of whitewashing the walls. Whitewashing the walls means LSA. You have to find out the LSA. Cost of whitewashing the walls at the rate of 1.6 per meter square is 179.20. So you know how to find out the amount, that is cost of whitewashing. It is area into cost will be equal to area into rate, right? Area into rate. So here we know the cost. It is 179.20. What is the area that is given here? Whitewashing the walls means we have to find out the LSA. And what is the formula to find out the LSA? It is walls. So 2H into L plus B.
L plus B. 2L plus B.
And what is the rate here? 1.60. So 1.60. Now why can't we substitute all the values? Length is 2H, B is 3 by 2H. We'll substitute that. So next step I'll write 179.20 divided by 1.60. I took this term to the other side and then 2H into. What is inside the bracket? Length is 2H and breadth is 3 by 2H. So we can do some simplification. 2H into, take the LCM, 4H plus 3H is 7H. 7H by 2. So 2 cancel, we will get 7H square. And now what about 179.20 by 1.60? See, here we have after decimal 2 places are there, denominator also 2 places we have. So you can take as a whole 1720, 160. Simplify. When you simplify, what you will get is, cancel 1, 1, 2. So 112 by 7 equal to h square, or h square is equal to 16. H square is 16. So what will be the value of h? H is equal to root of 16 and that is 4 meter. So we have the height as 4 meter. Now coming back to the length. Length is what? Length equal to 2 times height, 2h. So 2 into h is 4, so 8 meter. Now what about breadth? Breadth is 3 by 2 B is 3 by 2h. So 3 by 2 into 4. Cancel. We will get 6 meter. Now the problem is not over. We have to find the cost of tiling the floor. You know that in case of a room, what will be the dimension of the floor? Dimension of the floor or rectangular hall? For a rectangular hall, it will be length into breadth, right? So the cost of tiling the floor will be equal to, how will you find out the cost of tiling? Cost of tiling the floor. Tiling the floor equal to area into
Cost
area
per
of the floor. Yeah, exactly. Area of the floor into rate per meter square. Now we can find out, because you know what is the area. Length into breadth will give you the area of the floor. So length you already know, 8, and breadth is 6. So what is 8 into 6? 48. And what is the rate for tiling? It is 6.75. So you write here 6.75 and multiply and give me the answer. 48 into 6.75. Give me the answer first. 675 and 48. Check whether it is correct. Rupees 324. Okay, let me explain. See, look at this. 0.878787 means what? 0.87 the whole cube, right? Plus 0.131313 3 times. So it will be 0.13 the whole cube. So it is like a cube plus b cube, right? Okay, let's see. Anyways, denominator is 0.87 into 87. So that means 0.87 the whole square. Minus, look at this, 0.87 to 0.13 is that only. So I will write like that, 0.13, no need to multiply. Plus, next is 0.13 the whole square. See, numerator is like a cube plus b cube, and you know the formula, right? What is a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into
a
a
square
square
minus
minus
ab
ab plus
plus
b
b
square, please b square. So here numerator you have a cube plus b cube. So why can't we, I can write this as a plus b into, I'm going to split that, okay? A cube plus b cube, I'm going to write as a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Now, what is a? A is 0.87 plus b is 0.13. That is done. Okay. So, one bracket is over. 87. Next bracket, a square. A square means 0.87 square minus a into b, 0.87 into 0.13. B square is 0.13 the whole square. So that is my numerator now. What about the denominator? Denominator 0.87 the whole square minus 0.87 into 0.13 plus 0.13 the whole square. Now look at the question. See, these two terms you can cancel out, right? Cancel these two. Cancel these two. Can we cancel? This one and this one. We can cancel, right? Both are same terms only. Yeah. So what is left is 0.87 plus 0.13. You will get 1.0. 1.0 is 1 only. That is the RHS. 0.87 plus 0.13. When you add, you will get as sum as 1. That is the answer, RHS.